Hi everyone, I'm Robbie. I know absolutely nothing about computers, but I'm going to try and build my first one today. I'm a keen console gamer and have recently been playing PC games, even though the PC I'm currently playing on is a tad outdated. So, it's time for an upgrade. My boyfriend, who previously has built PCs, was just going to build me one, but no, I wanted to get in on the action. Of course he will be guiding me along the way. I have no idea how this is going to go. Probably will be a disaster. Let's find out. So, what the hell have we got going on here? This is the CPU. This is the
NVMe drive, SSD drive.
SSD drive for my memory.
No, it's the hard drive.
Hard drive. That's another one. Yeah. Yes, anyway. We actually got some pretty good stuff here. We will have a full spec posted down below so you can check it out. This year my boyfriend insisted that we get some RGB stuff. So we've got this beautiful all tempered glass here for Corsair 570X?
Yes.
Yes. With RGB RAM 2. So it should look pretty after we're done. Let's get it all started. So we've got the CPU in, SSD, 4 SSD memory, RAM, and then what's that one?
That's the M2 SSD.
Then we got the M2 SSD and the motherboard we've now inserted into the case. So what's next?
The cooler.
Cooler. I don't know.
Holy crap.
Okay. This is cute. there you have it. I did everything myself and it turned out great. If you want to hire me to build yours, then comment below and I'll be glad to help. In the meantime, check out my live streams at #Miller on Twitch. And if you like the video, you know what to do down below, and of course more will come. Thank you for watching and have yourselves a great day.